Oh, yeah, you got it.
This is 6 or 4. Okay, 6, you're going to 4.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Turn that fan on, dude. Oh, yeah. No.
Yeah. Every time it rains, it comes back. I think I got this stuff moving. Hey, you want it?
Nah, it's alright. I don't need to see, as long as you can see.
Well, not really.
No.
I'm driving by memory right now.
It's like driving.
Yeah, yeah.
Just keep left tire on the yellow line.
Right, pretty much.
You know which one is 28?
Yeah, it's super exposed. We've been there before with the fire alarm a couple years ago.
Tracking pole? It's 52.
Yeah, it's up on the hill. Oh, yeah. It's on the right. Just don't do it. Here's that number. It's right in the freaking way.
Engine 4.
We're up in the area.
Just save engine 4, you're in the area investigating with a CMP truck.
Right here, the front.
4's off behind her.
Yeah, I'm trying to beat up.
6 off behind her. 6, you're off behind. 2260.
Full pack? No, I think it's probably related to the power. If you already got it on, you can